Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric Default with Keller Williams, Cape Cod and the Islands. And one of the things about living on Cape Cod is we are treated to some of the best seafood in the world. And one thing, especially here in New England, we love our clam chowder. So in this video today, I'm going to give you my 3 favorite spots to get clam chowder here on Cape. So when it comes to chowder on Cape Cod, we have some of the best seafood. In turn, we probably have some of the best chowder in the world. These are 3 of my favorites. If you hang around to the very end, I'll tell you exactly which one is far and away my favorite. But you can't go wrong with any 3 of these. Definitely check them out. First off, I think the most popular, because you run into it at different markets and stuff like that, is Captain Parker's. Captain Parker's awesome chowder. You can't go wrong with that. You can get it at the restaurant in Yarmouth, right on 28. Really cool little outdoor dining area too, worth checking out. It's a cool little pub, cool little restaurant. But you can also find that at different markets all throughout Cape Cod. You can usually find it, bring it home, throw it in the fridge, throw it in the freezer, and then when you're ready, go ahead and cook it up. Another one of my favorites, down on the harbor in Hyannis. You got to check out the Black Cat. Really cool little restaurant, nice little kind of scenery. They've got the shack out back. If you're in Hyannis, definitely, if you're looking for chowder, you have to go to the Black Cat, because they come out, they give it in a little mug, everything like that. Always hits the spot. When I need my fix during the winter, I definitely go to the Black Cat. But now for my personal favorite, my favorite chowder on Cape Cod, in turn probably my favorite chowder on earth, is definitely the Skipper Chowder House down in Yarmouth, right in South Yarmouth, right on the ocean there. You definitely want to check it out. It's nice and thick, really good. I like all my chowder. I like it thick. I like putting the hot sauce in. I go through 2 to 3 bags of the Oyster Crackers as well. Got to do that. But if you're looking for, in my opinion, and you can't go wrong with any 3 of those, but in my opinion, the best chowder on Cape Cod, you got to go to the Skipper. So definitely check that out. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon. We'll see you.